best memories of my childhood are the ones where I've seen my mother make pickles at home and I've helped her doing that. One of the pickles that she used to make traditionally happens to be the lemon pickle. It generally takes a lot of time. Lemon को cut करके vinegar के mixture में भिगो के रखना पड़ता है, which takes about easily a week's time. I don't really have that kind of time, but the need for that pickle still remains. Therefore, I've come up with this instant pickle recipe that I'm going to share with you all today. Ensure that you use the yellow lemon and not the green one. Also, two things to keep in mind is the skin. The skin of the lemon should be really soft, not very hard. So what I've done here is that I've boiled the lemon whole. Lemon को काट के boil करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उससे जो उसका juice है वो bitter हो जाता है. You need to pressure cook the lemons for 5 whistles with the skin on and not cut in any way. After that, as you can see, I've taken them out on a sieve so that all the water has drained out. Once the lemons have been boiled, I'm going to use a toothpick. You could easily use a satay stick to remove the seeds. Once the seeds have been removed, I'm going to put them in a bowl and put all the masalas on top. Some Kashmiri chili powder, some haldi, and of course, salt. Next, I'm going to add some mustard powder. This is a powder made out of the regular mustard that we use in the kitchen. And this is the other powder which I've made out of methi dana. As you can see, this is methi dana. I've roasted them, dry roasted them and made a powder out of it. So the dry masalas are done. I'm going to give this a quick mix. As many different kinds of cuisine there are in India, I think there's one thing that binds all of it, and that's the achar. Every part of India, every single home has a certain type of achar that's made. And no matter how many kinds of things that you made for, say, a lunch, unless you put achar on the dining table, it feels incomplete. Last is the tempering. I'm going to heat up some mustard oil here and then put some hing in it. And then pour it over the pickle, give it a good stir, and we are done. You could have it right away. Because this is an instant pickle recipe, you do not have to wait. Alright, the last step, some hing in mustard oil. And this goes on top of the lemon. Be generous with the amount of mustard oil you're using, and even be careful. Give this a stir. So our instant lemon pickle is ready. Pack it into your dabba and your lunch will never be boring.
When I used to stay away from home and अगर मेरी तबीयत खराब हो जाती थी, I would always miss the home cooked food, very light and simple. So I thought I will make a recipe for you in case you are away from home and आपको घर के खाने की याद आ रही हो. We are going to make some dal khichdi today. So for the dal khichdi, we are going to take some arhar dal. And we are going to take some rice. Normally we can keep almost a 1:1 ratio, but then it's totally upon you how much you wanna keep it. अब इसमें important चीज़ ये है कि आपको अपने दाल और चावल को properly wash करना होता है with a lot of water, and you have to soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now all you have to do is pressure cook it. I'm going to put this mixture in a pressure cooker, and now I'm going to add in some water to this pressure cooker. We're going to add some turmeric powder. We're going to add a little bit of hing and some salt. Now I'm simply going to cover our pressure cooker, and we are going to give it about 2 whistles until it's ready. Now let's open it. Looks really beautiful. Look at the bright yellow color. The rice and the dal have been cooked very well. Let's get to making the tadka. Now for our tadka, मैं घी डालने वाला हूँ इस पैन में. हम घी को थोड़ा सा गरम करेंगे, and we are going to put in some whole spices. We are going to add in some cardamom. We are going to add some jeera. 1 bay leaf. You can maybe break it up. Just toss it in the hot ghee. The moment it starts getting heated up, it smells beautiful. Now that our whole spices are ready, I'm putting in some freshly chopped onions. I'm going to toss till it's a bit translucent. हमें इसको golden brown करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And then I'm going to add some freshly chopped tomatoes. Toss it up very well. Put in some salt at this point. We want the vegetables to be cooked well. Vegetables remind me that if you want to add any vegetables to your khichdi, you can. Be it matar, some gobi, some aloo, absolutely anything you want. Once the tomatoes start getting a bit pulpy, I'm going to put in some chopped green chilies. You can adjust the amount of chilies according to your taste. I like mine to be very, very spicy. And now I will put in a little bit of curry leaves. Give it a nice fry. The curry leaves have a very, very nice smell. Now some jeera powder, some garam masala, some Kashmiri red chili powder for the very beautiful color. Mix it all up well and cook the spices. And now that this masala is well cooked, in the end I am going to put in some ginger garlic paste. I will give it a good mix and just cook till the time the ginger garlic paste is ready and doesn't have a raw smell. अब हमारा मसाला ready हो चुका है. All we need to do is take this khichdi, put it in, give it a good stir. You can see all the mix of beautiful colors, the yellow from the turmeric, the red from the chili powder and the tomatoes, the green from the curry leaves and the chilies. It's just perfect. Now we are simply going to take it out on a plate and enjoy it with some achar, some papad, some chas, any way you like it.